So in this video I'm going to show you how to set a video duration on Insta360 GO Ultra. Okay, so if you want to set a video duration, which means it'll limit the duration of the video, so you can start the video and you can either stop it yourself or it'll stop after a certain time automatically. And if you want to do it, you'll need to first be in a video mode that you'd like to use it with, then click on this button next to the mode selection, and now you'll find duration. And in different types of video modes there will be different options for duration. You can see here in standard video I can set it to 15 seconds, 30 seconds and so on, all the way up to 2 hours. Now I will set it to let's say 15 seconds so it's easy to demonstrate. Now when I start recording, you'll see the duration has been set to 15 seconds, so I can just wait those 15 seconds and the video will end automatically. So just 2 more seconds to go and you can see it's done. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.